Hey, what's happening everybody? This is Royce from Pedal Metal. Welcome to my channel. Today we have a 1/38 scale Aston Martin Vulcan from Kinsmart, and this is a pullback toy car essentially for children, but it is very detailed, very nicely done. I think for a $5 car, very impressive to say the least. To give a little bit of history on the actual car, I believe they only made 24 of them, I think is the plan. From Aston Martin, and I think they're like $2.3 million a piece, and they're powered by a 7-liter normally aspirated motor that is supposed to be 820 brake horsepower. I have seen video clips though of them dynoing close to 1,000 horsepower online. Very impressive vehicle. They sound phenomenal. Very just awesome, that 12-cylinder sound. And so we'll go ahead here and take a look at this. For a $5 vehicle, you have to admit this is pretty impressive. From the carbon fiber roof to the paint job to the detail of the wheels, the outline of the side exit exhaust, the tail lamps, everything about this is just screams $30–40 toy. I shouldn't say toy, but scale model, not really a toy. And it's just an incredible buy. So it is a friction vehicle. When you pull back, it'll take off on you. But the details on these, I think, are great for the money. I like how they did the tail lamps. Looks really nice. They look like truly like LED tail lamps. Very nice. I just thought I'd show that quick to you guys. I'm starting to become a fan of some of these, and been picking them up. I have quite a collection now of these 1/38 scale vehicles, and maybe someday I'll show that case off with them. Until then, enjoy, and hopefully you guys like that. If you like this type of video, be sure to give me a thumbs up and if you're not a subscriber, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell for notifications. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. All right, bye now.
Oh,